What up, what up, what up? It's Good Life Thursday.
Hello wonderful people, welcome to today's video on the Good Life Thursday. I'm here to provide you a brief guide to optimal health and wellness that you can use as a starting point towards your health journey. First of all, you gotta eat a balanced diet, a nutritious diet that includes plenty of fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. When you eat a lot of fruits and vegetables from each color, you get a variety of important vitamins and nutrients that can prevent diet-related chronic diseases. You must also stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Exercise regularly to maintain a healthy weight, improve cardiovascular health, and promote overall physical and mental well-being. Furthermore, you get enough sleep each night to help your body recover and regenerate. Also, practice stress management techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, or yoga to reduce stress and improve mental health. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption to promote optimal physical health. Schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider to identify and address potential health issues earlier on. Take care of your mental health by seeking help when needed and maintaining positive social connections and relationships. By incorporating these practices into a daily routine, you can achieve optimal health and wellness, both physically and mentally. Remember that everyone's path to optimal health is unique, so it is therefore important to listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. See you another time. Bye-bye.